Maha Cartoon TV.
Fear of human skeleton. There was a terror of human skeletons in Kanpur village. They used to come in the dark night and take away children to eat. Due to this, people of the village were always afraid. They all started to hide in their houses from the skeleton army. The horror of the night was increasing day by day. People can't able to find the solution of this problem. Like always, after another night, all the villagers gathered for the discussion.
Oh God, it's been long, but we haven't got any relief from these skeletons yet.
You are right, sister. Don't know when we will get rid of this bad situation.
Villagers were discussing the problem. They are worried about their kids kidnapping and all the incident. They all wanted the solution of this problem at any cost. Nobody had guts to fight those ghostly skeletons because they don't know the origin of these skeletons. Now the question was, who will save the villagers? All scared villagers were waiting for their savior. Another night came and the villagers started trying to save their kids. As soon as the night became darker, the scary skeletons started entering the village and searching for children. But they couldn't get any single child. Due to this, they began to shout and roar. By hearing their creepy sound, villagers got scared.
Oh God, that is such a horrible scream. Please somebody save us. Please God save us.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh Lord, only you can protect us. Otherwise, these skeletons will kill us. Oh God.
All the villagers were praying to God to protect them. They just wanted to escape from these ghosts because the skeletons couldn't find any children. They all started running here and there. They came to Raju's house and started knocking at his door.
Oh God, please listen to our prayers and keep them away from us. Not send them to us. Please God, do something. Save us.
All the skeletons were trying to break Raju's door, and he was so afraid watching all these things.
Oh no. If they break this door like this, they can come inside. Oh God, do something. Please protect us.
Suddenly, a strange voice came from somewhere. By hearing that, skeletons started screaming and running here and there. Villagers didn't get anything. As soon as the sound was coming near them, all the skeletons were running away from the village. All those skeletons escaped from there in a few seconds. Nobody understood anything. All the afraid villagers came out from their houses to find out what just happened. After that, they saw a truck coming towards them. Everyone was confused. How can those horrible skeletons get afraid of a truck? Then the truck entered the village and a driver named Shamu came out. He felt weird to see the villagers like this. He asked the reason for it and the villagers told him about the incident. Then Shamu said,
Maybe they are afraid of truck horns and they can't handle the sound, and that's why they left.
All the villagers understood his point a little bit, and they all thanked him for saving their lives from the skeletons.
See, I was traveling with a loaded truck towards the city. but due to hunger and tiredness, I thought it would be better to come here. I didn't know that you would be saved from this trouble if I come here.
You don't know. You did a big favor by saving us from that trouble. Please come to my house. I cooked extra food today. It would be great if you have food and take rest at my house.
They all welcomed the truck driver and they requested him to relax there. The next morning, the truck driver was going to leave from there, and the villagers asked him to stay and save them. But he had to leave from there for the goods delivery as soon as possible. But he promised all the people that he will come back after delivering the goods, and he also find the way to get them out of this trouble. Shamu left from there. It was dark again, and the night was becoming darker. There was a silence in the entire village, but Shamu hasn't reached yet. Villagers were tense. Only then, the skeletons came there and started spreading their terror in the village. All the people began to hide themselves at their houses. All these skeletons started destroying people's houses. But then, Shamu turned on the truck lights, which he hid in the bushes, and the whole village became lit up. As soon as the lights came into the village, Shamu and all the people of the village watched something shocking.
What the hell is this? They were making us fool, huh?
Oh God, was that all a fraud?
Villagers saw that they all were not skeletons. Rather, they all were humans in skeletons' costume. Actually, some clothes are available in the market which can shine in the dark. By wearing that, people can scare anyone. They all were taking the advantage by becoming ghosts. There were already electricity problems in the village, and because of this, it was dark in the village and it was difficult to find people in the dark. All the people gathered after knowing the truth, and they caught all the thieves. After that, they informed the police.
Tell us, why were you doing this?
We deal for the children by stealing them. We sell them for a very low price in the city. When we got to know about this village, then we made a plan to start from here. Therefore, we acted like ghosts and started stealing the kids.
Suddenly, the police came there. Police arrested all the thieves after knowing the matter. On the other hand, villagers thanked Shamu for his help. Police saved all the children after few days, and they handed over all the kids to their parents. All the people of the village started living happily from that day on.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.